So let's bring that back into the supply domain and get a bit of a sense of scale. So here we've got our circulating supply, right? This is the full 19.4 million that's currently circulating. Down the bottom here in gray, this is what we call zombie coins, or probably lost supply. These are coins that have not transacted since the first price back here in 2010, right? So essentially, since Bitcoin's had a price, these have never moved. So we assume that these are most likely lost. And these tiny little liquid layers down here, these are our 1 week old and our perpetual futures. So you can really see if we bring these into the supply domain, there is really a very, very small amount of volume that is responsible for all of the price action that we see. Most of these coins are actually hodled and not moving very often. Most of the supply that's driving price action is actually extremely small, at least by relative standards. So I'm just going to turn off circulating supply and get a bit of a snapshot here. And you can see that the amount of probably lost supply is actually significantly larger than what we're going to call the liquid layer. This is the open interest, so people who are trading futures is kind of like a paper Bitcoin, let's call it. And then we've also got the hot supply. Now note that the hot supply, these pink zones, is actually near all-time lows. It's extremely small. If we combine both of these together, there's about 980,000 BTC that is in this liquid layer. And of that, about 50% of it is futures and 50% is spot. So if we think about what that means, if we've got about 980,000 coins, if memory serves, it's about $26 billion, and Bitcoin's market cap is 550 billion. So we're talking about an extremely small portion that's actually liquid, mobile, and participating in price discovery. It's kind of an interesting thing. When you really look at the scale of this, there really just aren't that many coins. It could be under 1 million that's kind of actively traded and available on the market, giving us that sense of scale.